Hey there, creators! Are you ready to level up your video editing game without spending a dime? Today, I'm counting down the top 5 free video editing software that even your grandma could use, and she probably will. Let's dive in. OpenShot is so simple it feels like a video editor made for toddlers, but with some serious tools. Need animation keyframes? Boom, it's there. Want unlimited layers? Sure thing. It's lightweight, friendly, and free, just like that one friend who always buys you coffee. Great for quick edits, but not ideal for complex projects. VideoPad is the hidden gem you've been waiting for. It's beginner-friendly, runs like a dream on older PCs, and offers features like transitions, effects, and even 3D video editing. While it's fantastic for beginners, more advanced editors might feel a bit limited. But hey, it's free and gets the job done. This one's like a Swiss Army knife. It has a bit of everything. ShotCut is perfect for beginners who want to get serious with editing but hate being overwhelmed. From multi-track editing to advanced color grading, it's got you covered. It's a step up from the basics, but requires a bit of patience to master. Here's one for the geeks who love to experiment: VSDC. It's got everything you need: a non-linear interface, cool effects, and even motion tracking for those pro-level vibes. It's lightweight, fast, and free of watermarks. A fantastic tool for intermediate editors aiming to go pro without breaking the bank. Finally, we have CapCut, the app that's so simple you can edit an entire video while lying on your couch. Perfect for TikToks, Reels, or even quick YouTube edits. It's mobile-friendly, desktop-ready, and packed with features like text-to-speech, auto captions, and easy transitions. If editing was a game, CapCut is easy mode. It's the perfect balance of simplicity and power, an absolute winner. There you have it, my top 5 free video editing software picks. Now it's your turn. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know the drill. See you next time, and happy editing!